Hello, my name is Jose Jaramillo, a real estate consultant with Harcourts TCG Real Estate, serving the needs of sellers, buyers, and investors in Orange County, California, and surrounding areas for the past 10 years. Today, I'd like to welcome you and give you a personal tour of 23426 Bluebird Lane in the beautiful city of Lake Forest. Please, come with me. The main floor of this beautiful home features cathedral ceilings, a formal living and dining room, a spacious family room, a gorgeous gourmet kitchen that has been beautifully upgraded with light-colored granite, breakfast nook, top-of-the-line cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in microwave. The second floor features a master suite with a walk-in closet, a bath with separate shower and tub, and a comfortable balcony with a view, plus 2 spacious bedrooms and 1 additional bath. This home has been tastefully remodeled with large-size travertine tile flooring in the kitchen and dining room, newer windows, plantation shutters, wood flooring, neutral color designer paint, mirror closet doors, baseboards, and recessed lighting throughout. For your enjoyment and entertainment, ownership of this home grants you membership to the Lake Forest Beach and Tennis Club. Lake Forest is well situated adjacent to the Interstate 5 and 405 freeways and the Foothill and Eastern Transportation Corridors, which provide easy access to Los Angeles, San Diego, and the Inland Empire. The John Wayne Airport and an Amtrak station are only minutes away. Lake Forest has the charm of a small community with the convenience of a large metropolitan city. It's a place to live the good life with beautiful, safe, and well-planned neighborhoods. The environment is ideal with mild Mediterranean weather, lush green hills, groves of eucalyptus trees, lakes, and style. It's family living at its finest with homes that meet all the needs, including lakefront homes, equestrian estates, luxury condominiums, townhomes, and retirement communities. Lake Forest has quality public schools for grades K through 12, several preschools, private elementary schools, technical and trade schools within the city. Higher education is only minutes away at the University of California at Irvine, California State University at Fullerton, Chapman University, Concordia University, and Saddleback and Irvine Valley Community Colleges. As of mid-November 2014, 103 homes are on sale in the community. 9 of them are distressed sales. The rest are regular sales. 7 of those homes are listed for less than $500,000. 95 are listed between $500,000 and $1 million, and only 1 is listed over $1 million. 23426 Bluebird is on the market for $675,000. If you would like more information about this home or any other homes in Lake Forest or surrounding areas, please contact me at info@homesbyjose.net. If you would like more information on the marketing and selling of your home, please call me at 714-609-0303. I am ready to assist you, your family, and your friends in all your real estate needs. Once again, my name is Jose Jaramillo, helping you make your real estate dreams a reality. Thank you and have a great day.